Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you a broomstick lace, okay, which is also called as jiffy lace or peacock eye crochet. So I'm going to do it in rows, okay. So this time I'm mostly people use crochet hook and another crochet hook or knitting needle to hold the stitches, but I'll be using safety pins over here like these ones, okay, like safety pins. Okay, and this is how I'll start it. So I'll begin. This is a different variation of the stitch, okay, because I keep on making new stitches. So this is how I do it. This is chain one and just pull up the loop on the crochet, on your crochet, and just turn. Now this will be considered as the first stitch, and then insert hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop and make a chain, and pull up another loop out of that. So this is how you'll be doing it. Again, insert hook in next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. Okay, insert hook in next stitch, yarn over, pull up, pull through, pull yarn through, yarn over, pull yarn through, and pull up the loop. Now once you have 4 loops on your hook, what you'll do is you'll just put this inside a safety pin so that the loops stay in place. Okay, now yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and this is how you'll continue for next 4 loops. Okay, and again take another safety pin and just close it. Okay, take it again, one time, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. Okay, so this will be the last time I do it. Okay, now when you turn it around, oopsie. Okay, now when you turn it around, you just come till the very end. Okay, this is just for, you know, just to show you how the stitches look like. Okay, so when you turn around, you won't be taking any stitches. All you have to do is you just put your crochet in the first loop, yarn over, and pull up a loop, yarn over, and make a chain. Okay, this will be considered as the first stitch. Now you don't need this safety pin actually. Now take this. Now insert the hook in the next loop, yarn over, pull yarn through, yarn over, and make a SC, single crochet. You'll do this for all the remaining loops. Okay, now take off this, oopsie. Okay, if the loops don't look, you know, the same length, don't worry, it will automatically adjust in the very end. When you complete the piece, it won't even show. Just make sure to take the loops in the same side. Sometimes it twists like this, you know, so don't twist it. Just make it very straight and then just make a single crochet. So you see how beautiful this looks. Now this one is the last one. single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, and single crochet. So this is how you do broomstick lace in a row. Okay, you'll come till the very end doing all your wonderful single crochet till the very end. So I hope you like this tutorial. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you all.